Oh, hey there. I'm Mitch, and this is Cooking in the Kitchen. Hey there, and welcome to the first episode of Cooking in the Kitchen, where I cook while you look. Today we'll be making the classic, rice and beans. Rice and beans is a popular dish in many Spanish-speaking countries, which are located here, here, big one here, and the rest don't matter. Now, it's also called rice and beans in those countries, just in Spanish. In fact, you may have had a friend travel to one of these many places and say, "Man, it sure was pretty, and boy did we eat a lot of rice and beans." But before we get started, let's go over some key ingredients. Rice, beans, assorted peppers, and a lime. Let's start with rice. Just pour however much you think you'll need into a pot of water and boil it till the water's gone. And remember, if you get too much, you can always have leftovers. One way to tell if it's a hot pepper is to try some. That's not a hot pepper. Not this one. Wow. Shit. Oh, it's pretty hot. Now when you're cutting these peppers, be careful. You don't want to cut yourself and possibly bleed out. Now, we're going to let these peppers we just cut soak in a pot of lime juice. You know, an Amazonian shaman once told me that lime juice could help rid the body of hallucinogenic potions. And if you're like me, your can opener probably doesn't work. But if you're like me in more ways than one, probably get a can that has an easy open top. Because you thought ahead. Add these beans to the lime and pepper mixture to get maximum flavor. I wanted to say thanks to one of my many sponsors, my grandma, aka Granny Pat. She got me this shirt for Christmas, and I like it, because it's comfortable, and it has the same pattern as many of my boxers. Huh, look at that. Thanks, Granny. Smells like it's all ready. Now, turn the eyes off, and use a ladle to serve yourself however much you want to eat. Wow. Those peppers were a lot hotter than I thought they'd be. Remember, if it doesn't go according to plan, you can always add cheese, and it'll probably cover it up. Wow.